Oh, as you can see, guys, now we can control here. And it's really good.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make an aesthetic or a cool wallpaper on Windows 10. So first things first, what you need to open is Microsoft Store. So first you open Microsoft Store here, and then search your lively wallpaper. Here, once you see lively wallpaper, it is here, and it's free, so you don't need to pay. And click lively wallpaper. So the icon was like this, so make sure you don't install the wrong wallpaper, the wrong application. So once you're done installing, click launch. You can just click launch, and then the app will launch. And here we go. So first time you launch lively wallpaper, it will open like this. As you can see, this lively wallpaper, and you can change a lively wallpaper here. You have the additional light, and you can also customize it. As you can see, you can customize the wallpaper. You can do quality, high, medium, very low. If the computer is not too good for a wallpaper like this, you can quality here. You're gonna pick high, so also will be good. So the fluid version 2, and yeah, that's the only how to use lively wallpaper. And you can also add some videos here. And this, you can see my video here, but I'm not going to play the video to avoid copyright in this video. So yeah, maybe this is the tutorial how to use, because you have a lot of options here. You can have ripples, and you can visit the website for an information correctly. Have ribbon here, and with ribbons you can control the ribbon and the ribbon options here. Rain version 2, customizable rain particles, because you can customize wallpaper here. Intensity, speed, brightness, and you can see the image here. Side view, lot under size here. Yeah, but I like this one, so I'm just gonna pick this, and it's very aesthetic here. And you can customize wallpaper again, and you can set the blur here, blur intensity, the blur of the city here. You can just click. Once you're done, click close. Here we have additional light. It's good, but we can control anything in the additional light. And we have fluids version 2. I actually like fluids version 2 because we can control it. And we also have rain version 2 here. Let me minimize the OBS. The periodic table here. Nitrogen, you can see this. And then, yeah, this injectable wallpaper. And then here we can parallax GS. Plus GS, you can control the wallpaper here. And yeah, that's just the tutorial for how to use lively wallpaper. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye guys. See you next video.